Starting around 30 November 2023, Algorand especially for the most part is exchanging at $0.1345 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in certainly kind of most recent 60 minutes, actually especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Algo in a real sense has an especially all-out market cap of $1,077,038,884, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $148,226,573, which essentially especially is genuinely huge in a genuinely significant manner. This for the most part makes Algorand, Algo, sort of genuinely positioning at 51 in the cryptographic money market, which in every way that really matters is very critical in a quite enormous way. In the event that you basically certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what actually really is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand in every practical sense be by and large truly worth in 2023 in a sort of commonly significant manner, which for the most part is very huge? Is Algorand a sort of in every practical sense wise speculation or certainly truly worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very critical? Will Algo cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed sort of extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These in every way that really matters explicitly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which basically in every way that really matters is very critical. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost in a real sense is supposed to especially cross an essentially kind of normal value level of $0.1433, the normal really least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to especially be $0.1366 in every way that really matters. Genuinely large way in a significant way. Besides, Algo can basically arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.1515, which really is very huge. Algorand cost expectation November 2023, Algorand cost fundamentally is supposed to especially reach between $0.1284 to $0.1445 in November 2023. While the by and large normal cost of Algo for the November essentially certainly remains around $0.1405 Algorand cost forecast December 2023. Algorand cost fundamentally truly is supposed to generally reach between $0.1366 to $0.1515 in December 2023. While the truly normal cost of Algo for the December explicitly fundamentally remains around $0.1433 Algorand pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost essentially has shown an actually genuinely great increment of 2.01% in the kind of truly most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense sort of thought incredibly. From most recent 7 days the Algo in a real sense especially was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41% in a sort of certainly huge manner. Algorand actually truly has shown exceptionally major areas of strength for lovely truly potential of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to fundamentally by and large dive right in and contribute. So starting around 30 November 2023, Algorand truly is exchanging at $0.1345 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Which for the most part certainly is genuinely critical, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo in a real sense diminished by 42.876%, dispensing with an astounding truly normal amount of $0.1010 from its in every practical sense current worth. Showing that entirely is Algorand a quite of wise speculation or sort of genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they very thought in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down quite implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can entirely all expectations and designs be a sort of good, basically purchase a valuable open door for by and large speedy speculation, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change generally is near 44.96%, and the value sort of coursed from a very genuinely least kind of typical cost of $0.2290 to reasonably essentially greatest decently extremely normal cost of $0.2491 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, especially further appearance how the 90 days cost change in every practical sense. is near 44.96%, and the cost generally in every practical sense circled from a genuinely least especially normal cost of $0.2290 to pretty all things considered, most extreme especially normal cost of $0.2491 in the truly beyond 90 days in a sort of enormous manner. Algorand sort of is somewhere around 28.06% with the actually fundamentally greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin, for the most part explicitly was around $0.1717 and the sort of least kind of typical cost of for the most part generally was around $0.1648 in kind of sort of beyond 4 months, exhibiting how Algorand cost expectation November 2023. Algorand cost sort of basically is supposed to essentially by and large reach between $0.1284 to $0.1445 in November 2023, while the fundamentally genuinely normal cost of Algo for the November in every practical sense, in a real sense, stays around $0.1405 Algorand cost forecast December 2023, Algorand cost all things considered is supposed to for the most part in a real sense reach between $0.1366 to $0.1515 in December 2023, while the reasonably truly normal cost of Algo for the December sort of stays around $0.1433. Algorand certainly sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Algorand's cost in every practical sense has shown a decently excellent increment of 2.01% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive way, or so they thought. Algorand value estimate 2023 facts what will in a real sense certainly be Algorand kind of worth in 2023, which for the most part essentially is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. The Algo cost especially is estimated to truly arrive at a kind of certainly most extreme degree of $0.1515, with by and large least cost of $0.1366 toward the finish of 2023 in an in every way that really matters, exceptionally huge way. Does Algorand in every way that really matters generally have a future, or so they especially in every way that really matters thought in an extremely large way? As far as value, Algorand most certainly has an extraordinary actually especially potential to in a real sense sort of arrive at new levels, or so they really thought. It in every practical sense is conjecture that Algo will increment in esteem in an essentially in every way that really matters significant way in a quite large way. As per actually by and large unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Algorand can especially commonly raise a ruckus around town. The practically the greatest cost of $5.51 till 2030, showing how from all things considered, most recent 7 days, the Algo truly generally was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41%, or so they sort of thought in an unpretentious manner. Is Algorand decently kind